Welcome to another video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at our brand new building at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. Today we're going to be checking out this 2017 Toyota Sienna SE. This Sienna is an 8-passenger van, and power for it comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and front wheel drive. In the front we have fog lights, a large raked windshield, our blacked out grille, and up top we do have some silver roof rails allowing you to expand your cargo space even more if you like. We also have color matched mirrors and door handles, and this Sienna does come equipped with the power liftgate and power side sliding doors. There's a ton of options in here, so let's hop right in and check them out. So first of all, checking out the key fob for this Sienna, we've got our power lock and unlock, and we also have our power sliding doors, one for each side, and our power lift gate. So if we pull down this button, our door is going to open right up for us, and so let's go take a peek inside. The interior is gorgeous black leather. It is in absolutely top condition. This carries throughout. In the second row, we have seating for 3, which can be changed into seating for 2 with captain seats. These seats do recline and move back and forth, so you're going to have plenty of legroom and your passengers are going to be very comfy. Up top, we've got our rear climate control, and on this side, we have our actual controls, so your passengers in the back can control how warm or cool they are. Looking up there, we also have our sunroof, and if we press this button right here, we've got our DVD screen, which you can watch 2 different videos on that. It does a split screen for you, and you get a remote, and then you have headphone plugins. Checking out the back, we've got tons of cargo room, and our stow and go third row seating is back there as well, which gives you room for 3 more passengers, so altogether you can fit 8 people in this Sienna. We'll check those out a bit more in a moment. To close the sliding door, all we gotta do is press that button there and it will close right up for us. Opening up the driver's side, we have our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Right over here is our traction control and blind spot monitor. Down here too, you do have the option to turn your power doors off so that nobody accidentally opens it. Hopping in and taking a look at the steering wheel. On this side, we have our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. Over here, we've got more information that you can access up on the dash, and our cruise control is right down there. This is a push button start, so you just put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Checking out the climate control here, we do have dual zone and rear climate control, which you can switch between. And we also have our front and rear window defrost. Right here we have an AM/FM stereo system with a CD player and Bluetooth, and we do have a full navigation system there as well. If we click on the audio, it is also equipped with Sirius XM satellite radio, and all pre-owned vehicles at Kelowna Toyota come with a 3-month trial subscription to Sirius XM, so you can decide if that's something that you would like to subscribe to. Right down here we have our heated seats and our USB and auxiliary power jack, as well as another little storage space, and your DVD player for your second row screen is right there. We've got a lot of storage space in here. You can open that up to stow some stuff, and right down here we also have our locking glove box and a really nice big center console. Swinging back around, we have a ton of room back there. Your passengers are going to be really comfortable. So let's hop out and we will pop around back, check out the cargo space and the third row seating. So starting to move around back on the sides here, you can see we have our deep tint privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo. Moving on to the back, we have our color matched rear spoiler, our Toyota, Sienna, and SE branding as well. To open up your hands-free liftgate, you just press this button on your key fob, and boom, it opens right up for you. So we have a ton of cargo space in here, but first of all, we're just gonna check out what it looks like with one of the third row seats up. It is super easy to do with instructions on the back. So if you have your third row seats, you still have a nice deep cargo area for anything you might need to pack around. And it is the 60-40 split. So you can leave one or the other down and have more space. To get this back into the stow position, we're just gonna pull up on the handle and pull, and boom, it's done. So now we can see just how much space we have right in here. It's pretty tall too, so you could carry pretty much anything you need and still have room for 5 passengers. To close up the liftgate, we're just gonna press that button right there and it will do it for us. This is an absolutely fantastic family vehicle. It is incredibly versatile with the different seating configurations, and the power sliding doors is really handy. It also has power drivers and passenger seats, which I did forget to mention. There is a whole ton of other features that this Sienna has that I just don't have time to cover right now. So if you'd like to come and check it out yourself, or even take it for a test drive, come on down to 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC. Or you can give us a call and one of our incredible product advisors would be more than happy to fill you in. Or you can check out our website at KelownaToyota.com, and we have all the details on this minivan for you. And then you can also browse the rest of our new and used inventory. We hope everybody is doing absolutely spectacular as we move on into spring. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.